Jezza, where are ya? Hey Johnny. Hey Terry. Hey Jeremy Bell. Yo, Nicky boy. Woo. Hey Dal. Gonna do a burn sesh, quick burn sesh this morning. I don't normally do morning ones, but I'm going now. I've got my favourite song. Warming up. Woo! Alright. I'm so glad you're on, Nick. Honestly. Got my Nick shirt. Woo! Hey Tony, Luciano, hey Roddy, hey dudes, I got my shirt, woo! Na 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 thunder. Alright. Woo, shake her up. It's yours, Nikki. Bit of tincture. Let's start it. Hey Roddy McLaren from Ireland. Alright. I'm not doing a full Robbie dropper. Oh, you can smell it. You can smell it. Hi, Dion. Sitting outside. You sook. Come and show him your chili vodka. Oh, that's got nothing in it. I just have to say, too, some of these tinctures that I have gotten from overseas. Just turn it down a bit. So with the heat over here, because it is so hot, these ones from America have actually evaporated in my cupboard, in my chili cupboard. Look at it. There's nothing left in it. It's just like, and the Untouchables, like there's a tiny bit left. They have evaporated. Has anyone else had this problem? If not, I might have to put them in the fridge. Oh, sorry, I hold no rights and reserves to this music. Sorry. I hold no rights and reserves to this music. Luciano and AC/DC, so we'll be right. I hope it should be right. If not, I'll just do another one. Who cares? Evaporating. Yeah, no, it sucks. I don't know why. It also did that to the one that Jeremiah Moore sent me. So that's really crappy. I don't know why. It's obviously the heat. So, alright, apple pie tincture. Shut up. I'm getting into it. Alright. Please. Alright. Can't believe I'm going to do... Oh, it just fell out. Whoops. Oh, no, it didn't. There it is. Burn sash. Burn. Oh. Whew. It's good shit. Ooh. Good stuff. Sorry, excuse me. It's good stuff. I've just broken all the rules, haven't I, Tony? I'm so sorry. Oh, Tracy. Oh. It's getting me in the back of the throat now. Oh, Tracy, I'm so glad you're watching, dude. Chaos Kaylee, beautiful girl. Hello. I can't believe you ate all that white Reaper chocolate. You're just a chocolate machine, girl. Love it. Oh, James Nixon, the Scots Bonnet. You're here. Oh, just did some apple pie. Next one, meh. Yeah, it's meh. I usually have this one in my coffee. So good. Nick Barnes from America. I'm shaking. I haven't eaten today. First nuke Bree, hey Bree, first nuking on the steps. I know, I'm so terrible. I'm like your girlfriend. Swish, swish. I'm not gonna say it. More. Meh. Oh my god. so sorry, Tony. I feel so terrible. Oh, it's got a burn. It's got a burn, Nicky boy. Yeah, tink coffee. It's good. Ah, I'm lighting it up. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. Woo! I'm also going to do a ring stinger. So, oh, shivers. I know I should be eating before I burn, but nah. Not a tink burn. Ring stingers. Butterscotch bombs with ghost pepper. Look at these babies. Hey Nelson Chatty. Thanks for the love, guys. I so appreciate it. Hey. Aussie. Woo! Oh. I'm sweating. A bit of AC/DC. Ooh. I've got to dance too, like Kaylee. That's it, Nikki. Oi. I'm going for a ride. I'm on the Chilli sizzle train. It's happening. It's going faster. It's good. Oh, it's got heat. Especially after the tints. So, while I'm here too, I'm just going to give a big shout out to the Mr. Chilli Awards in Australia. They're coming up, starting on March 2020. So get all your cool stuff in there. I nearly did it again. Ah, Sharon. Oh, far out. This is just like, my whole mouth is on fire. Oh. Yeah, it's a good burn sesh. It's good, but I'm going to do some more. Yeah. While I'm here too, look at this stuff. Be All Natural. 3 Stings Honey. Reaper. Lip Balm. Oh, the sizzle train's going good, Trace. Sizzle train's going good. Andrew Brown, how you going, dude? Ooh. This is Reaper Chilli Honey Lip Balm from 3 Stings Honey in Australia. Jason Robig, he's a legend. Let's put some of this on. Woo. Yeah, that's got some heat in it. Keeps your lips well oiled. Yes, there's a Reaper Lip Balm. A Reaper Lip Balm. So yes, there is. From 3 Stings Honey, and it is, my lips are on fire. I'm sweating. Gross. Sweaty Betty. So, this is a new one. The new chili vodka. What's this one called, Dion? Eternal Flame. Look at all those pepper seeds. Wowsies. Look at them all on the bottom. I try this every time. I'm the guinea pig, the taste tester. Haven't tried this one yet. She's still brewing. Tiny bit here. Ooh. Oh, does a 3 Stings make lube? Not sure, Jezza. You might have to ask Jason about that one. I'm going to do some vodka shots. It is 9:20 in the morning here, but it's only a little one. I'm still sucking the swally. Won't get rid of it. Okay, woo. Let's do this. Oh, you smell it. I'm going to do a Jotty Scoville here. Turn on your smell-o-vision. Smell that, dudes. Smell it. Alright, let's do it. Lips are on fire. strong is this, Dion? 50%. Woo. Okay. Burn sash. Oh. 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 Left of me. Jokers to the right. Oh God. Oh. This one's got strawberries in it. I can taste the strawberries. Well done, Dion. Oh. Hey, Luke Dickett, say hi to Chilli Lily for me. Love that girl. I'm gonna explode. Good burn. Got a chilli high now. Hallelujah. I'm riding the wave. I'm riding the wave. Ooh. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Yeah, that's it. Aussie. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Oi, oi, oi. Ooh, that's a proper burn. Far out, my lips are on fire. I hope I did you proud, Jezza. That one was for you because you nominated me. So guess what? I'm going to nominate someone. Who should I nominate? Hey, Roger. Roger Tree, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, man. Hey, Billy McLean. Oh, these are all legends. All legends. I'm doing a good burn. I've had the apple pie tincture. The tincture. Put this back in my mouth now. The ring stinger lollies. And some of this new chili vodka. Eternal Flame. Gone. Oh, and I put some Reaper lip balm on. My lips are totally on fire. It makes them plump up too. Great for the girls. Great for the girls. Get it. Oh, I love you girls too. Heather. Oh, beautiful Heather Bazinga. Bella Bella. Bella and Dark. Love you guys. Ooh, burn sesh. Good burn sesh. Really good one. I'm on a chilli high. I'm going to leave you there. It was just a quick one this morning. I'm going to go on tonight. I will be on tonight to do some more stuff. So another burn sesh. I love you all. I'm not chugging the Bunsters. Sorry. Shit, I'm not chugging the Bunsters. I've still got some in the fridge. Some SHI, you know, the bed and the Black Label. So, oh, I've got a chilli high now. Like real bad. I'm going to be bouncing off the walls. Am I a nuke? Yeah? Am I a nuke now? Finally. I'll do some more for you guys. I love you so much. And don't forget, Aussie, Aussie, Aussie! See yous. I love you. Chilli Mama Bird out.